Welcome you all. So today I will again go with the Kazif Oli, as it was request from someone to have the summary of the whole Kazif in one Oli. So I will in this video I will have all the letters and the paragraph writing, so that you will be it will be easy for you to see the Kazif, follow the Kazif. So yeah, I will begin with the capital and small letter only. So kindly just follow. Okay? The way I am writing, just follow. So capital A, small a, B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j. So one thing I would like to tell you again, so kindly follow the small cursive, small letter cursive from the down portion, from the bottom portion of the line, and then all the small alphabets will be in the same level only, and the capital letter in the same level only. If you are beginning the word, just don't stop in between. This also you should remember. If you are beginning the letter from the bottom line and want to write the whole word, kindly don't stop in between. After the finishing the word only, then have the stroke and then full stop, the dot portion. So L will be having the double stroke, T will be having the single stroke, and D will be single, and it can be double and single both. So capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p. Some capital letter like K and P. Okay, sometimes the word just don't join them. Just follow this. Okay. Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w. So U and V, basically U, V, W, both three of these we are writing just starting from the bottom line, but V, in between this V, just follow from the up portion. So it will be easy to understand also. No confusion between N and V. So X, small x, capital Y, small y, so capital Z, small z. So now I will begin with the paragraph writing. So suppose this is the portion you are writing, the paragraph. Please start from the left portion, leaving some margin. So Donald Duck is a funny animal. Okay, is a funny animal. Cartoon character. Okay, so just see here the page is just ending, suppose. So I don't have the place to write character, the whole TR. So here I will break like just following the syllable, like character. So not T writing and just hyphen putting, no. Here the full ter word I will start writing from the down portion, down margin. Okay, so TER. So it is the way how to write the word if there is no space. So character at Walt Disney. Suppose a word is just not good way written. Suppose here Walt. Okay, I have to cut here. I will simply put a single line. If suppose someone wants, then the double line. It will not look dirty. Just don't scribble there. Okay, so Walt Disney. So the wise little hen, the wise little hen was the movie of his first appearance. Okay, appearance. So just see here how the way I have written. Kindly follow, so it will help you to improve your cursive. Hope my summary of cursive will help you a lot. So thank you.